Y'all, y'all, what is up? It has been so long. I just had a whirlwind of months. I'll explain all of that later. But y'all, we are back today, and guess who's doing their first OTR trip? Me. So I got my baby starting up right now. And actually, I'm about to pick up, today is Saturday, I'm picking up in Lithonia, Georgia, for a drop either Monday and Tuesday. I'm making 2 stops. One is going to be in Louisiana. The other one's going to be in Texas. Horrible markets, but I'm getting a really great rate going out. So I am nervous. I ain't even gonna lie to y'all. This is my first OTR trip. I'm used to doing Amazon. And then y'all know I had a driver for a few months. Great driver. But it's me now, y'all. So I'm gonna catch y'all up. But right now I'm gonna do my pre-trip inspection and all that stuff as I pick up today. And I'm gonna head out tomorrow, Sunday, because I want to drop off Monday so that I can get another load for Tuesday instead of holding it until Tuesday. So let's go ahead and let's get started, y'all. I hope y'all been doing great though, for real. So let's go ahead and let's get it started.
I'm outside in an AMG, right outside, TT, 2-turn baby girl, you know me, still with the dolls that I grew beside, all outside and it died, gotta watch the time cause it's flying right by. I'm outside in an AMG, right outside, TT, 2-turn baby girl, you know me. Caught a shorty off a Finsta, just the one I'm really, it's a screenshot. Way that I've been living up.
All right, y'all, so I am on site about to load up these bricks. Get some gloves, actually. Okay, thank you. Perfect, thank you. All right, y'all, so I'm fully loaded. Fully loaded. Fully fucking loaded. All right, y'all, so I am all loaded up. I had to help load because the forklift right here, it was too, my truck is too low, so it can't go in there. So I did have to help load up. We're pushing it right now at 10,000 pounds. Yeah, this is my first trip over the road, y'all, so yeah. So I'm just waiting for my BOL, and then I'm out of here, and I'll be out on the road tomorrow morning. So just please pray everything goes well. What up, folks? So it's Sunday. It's like 5 o'clock right now. So I was actually gonna leave this morning, but then I remembered I had to film tonight at 7:30, but as y'all can see, it is raining out here. So I can't film, they literally just canceled it. So I'm gonna make my way to Louisiana. We have 2 stops. One is gonna be in Baton Rouge, and then the other one is gonna be in Texas. So Baton Rouge is supposed to drop Monday morning. I should be in Louisiana within the next 7 hours. I'm gonna stop, so that ain't gonna be 7 hours. But yeah, and then make my way to Baton Rouge in the morning. So please, y'all, pray for safe journeys, please. But yeah, I'm out of here, y'all. That's the Kia plant right there, making our way towards Alabama. That's the big Kia plant right here. So we are closer to Alabama. making my first stop right now at this Shell gas station in Alabama. Gas is only $3.45 at this Shell. $3.45 a gallon for diesel. Is it $3.45? No, I'm sorry. It's $4.59. I'm tripping. That's for regular. But it's $4.59, which is actually cheaper. In Atlanta, it was like, I saw $4.95, $4.79 and stuff like that. So I'm filling up right now. As y'all can see, it is, hold on, let me just see. So I have about 2 hours left until I reach my destination, which is where I'm going to be sleeping for the night. Then I'll wake up in the morning, do it all over. So from my destination where I'm sleeping to my first drop in Baton Rouge, it's going to be an hour and a half. So I'm knocked out in the morning. And I have another drop in Texas, which I don't have to do till Tuesday. So we're good. So far, so good for my first OTR trip. Let's just pray it continues. See y'all on the flip side. Cause y'all, your boy, I ain't tired yet, but I know, like, with my eyes, when the dark time comes, like, this is how my body works. Like, nighttime means sleep for me, and simply because now it's still like it's 10 o'clock now, like, I'm good. Because I'm normally not sleeping up at 10, but come around 1, 2 o'clock, yo, I'm tired. So that's why I'm happy that I started driving earlier and that's another reason I hate driving for Amazon, because you telling me to get a load at 3, 4 o'clock in the morning. Like, I get you gotta grind, but bro, that's a story for a later date. But y'all, I'd rather do day loads, hands down. Well, y'all, all I can say is I am so happy I am not on that side of the fence. Cause, boy, look at that traffic, y'all. I'm sorry if it's not clear right now, but y'all, can you imagine being like, it's like, what time is it? It's like 10:30 at night being in that traffic. I hope everybody's okay. I think it may have been an accident. I hope everybody else okay, but y'all, look at that freaking traffic. Sheesh. That's a standstill. Lord, I'm just praying everybody is okay. But this is where I'm at right now, y'all. Good morning, y'all. We are here on another day. My check engine light just came on, honestly, so I'm a little looped. But yeah, so I had a great night, honestly. I parked up my truck in this neighborhood, and it's 7 o'clock right now. I'm gonna get to my job around 9 o'clock in Baton Rouge, then I'm gonna make my way to Texas. Sorry if it sounds a little low, but this check engine light really just pissed me off. Like, why are you on? But I went into Motive. I don't know if y'all know this or not, which was formerly KeepTruckin. I went into Motive, and it can tell you like what problems your engine is having or whatever. So mine was saying coolant levels, but I checked, and it looked like the coolant levels were pretty decent. I'm gonna put some more in there, but so I have to go to Walmart and get a coolant. I used to always have one in here, but then I had my driver, and he was using it, so. But yeah, so I'm gonna go get another coolant after my stops. All right, y'all. See ya. thing is, I don't see no docks here, so how do they expect to get this shit off the truck?
Two of them. Pull up some.
So as y'all can see, they had to use a forklift, of course, to get the stuff off of my truck. Oof, Lord. But I'm on my way to my last stop now in Texas. We have about 3 hours to go. So let's go. It's hot. I'm about to take the sweater off. But yeah, y'all. So let's go. It's a beautiful day out here, though, y'all. Very beautiful. So let's go to Vidor, Texas. I'm actually kind of sad I'm leaving New Orleans. Like, it's such a nice day out here. It's like, it's Louisiana. Like, going to freaking Texas. But I'll be back though.